given problem is, if 30% of radioactive substance disappear in 10 days, how long will it take for 90% of it to disappear? Once again I am repeating, 30% of the radioactive substance disappear in 10 days. So if N is a original substance you consider, initially means at starting, let T is equal to 0, time is 0, originally is 100% you have, originally 100% of N we have, then disappear 30%. In how many days? 10 days. In a 10 days it is disappear 30%. Then obviously how much the remaining substance? 70% of N. Is it clear? If you consider originally 100% is there, 30% is decreasing. So how much remaining? 70%. Now the question is, how long will it take for 90% of it to disappear? So 90% it is disappear, nothing but here 10% of N is available. So for this, how much time is required to disappear to available 10%? How much time is required? This is the question. By the observation you see, originally 100 if you consider, then decrease it to 70 and again 10. So nothing but, is there in the given problem, are they given any surrounding media due to the surrounding temperature, due to the water temperature, due to the surrounding air temperature? No, they are not given any surrounding media. By the observation you can say this problem is cooling. Which type of cooling? Only because without depending on any surrounding media. So you can say it is a problem on law of natural decay. Natural decay. So in the natural decay we have a formula, that is N is equal to C e to the power of minus kT. C e to the power of minus kT. Right. This is the formula. From this formula we have to get the T value. Here you see how many conditions they are given? 1, 2 and third condition we need to find. So this problem we can solve in 3 steps. Step 1. In the step 1 we have to first find C. C is unknown. Later we need to find out the another unknown K. Now you see, if they are given C value, first one you are finding from the step 1. In the step 2 you are finding K value. So now what are the unknowns? N is unknown, T is unknown. If they are given N, you can find out T. If they are given T, you can find out N. Is it or not? Yes. So in the 3 steps we can do. First we are finding C. How we can find out C is nothing but, what is the given data? T is equal to 0. Then what about the N? N only. Substance is originally N. You substitute in the equation number 1. Then you will have N is N is equal to C you don't know, e to the power of minus K into K also we don't know, and T we know. What is the T? 0. So N is equal to C into e power 0. E power 0 means 1. So from this what you can say? C value we got. C is equal to N. You see, first step is completed. Next, second step. Step 2. In the step 2, what we have to get means K value we will get. How we will get? Based on the second data. You observe the data what they are given? T is equal to 10 days. In 10 days it is disappeared 30% of N. Nothing but the remaining is 70 available substance is 70% only. And what about unknown another value you know? C is equal to N from the step 1. Now you substitute these 3 values in the equation number 1. Now N is how much? 70% of the N. 70% of the N. Nothing but simply you can write, this is you can write 70 by 100 is nothing but 0.7 N. Right? This is equal to C. Do you know C value? Yes. What is the C value? N e to the power of K value. Do you know? Don't know. So K is as it is. Next, what do you know? T value. What is the T? 10 times. 10 days. So you have to simplify this. You see this left side and right side and getting cancelled. Then you will have 0.7 is equal to e to the power of minus 10 times of K. Here K only constant. We need to find out this unknown value. How you can apply? How you can get this value means applying log on both sides. Logarithm if you are applied ln. Ln is log base e only. Natural logarithm is equal to log e to the power of minus 10k. Then in this case you will have log 0.7 is equal to minus 10k. Therefore, what is the k value in this case? From this k is equal to, you can say, minus 1 by 10 times of log of 0.7. You see, now which value you got in step 2? K value. From the step 1 you have C value. In the step 2 we have K value. Now, if you know K value and C value, if they are given T, you can find out N. If they are given N, you can find out T. That's it. Now, what they are given in step 3, in the third condition, what they are given? How much time is required to disappear 90%. So, nothing but here N is equal to 10% of N. T is we need to find out. Okay. So, to get this T value, this N value, and from the step 1 C value, and from the step 2 K value, what we are getting, those all values we need to substitute in 1. So, this is the data we have. That is, N is equal to C e to the power of minus kt is a formula, and in the third condition, if N is equal to 10% of N is available, and C is equal to N we got in the first step, K is equal to minus 1 by 10 times of log 0.7 we got in the second step. Now, substitute these all values in the above equation. What is the unknown here? You see, N value do you know? Yes. C value? Yes. K value? Yes. What is the unknown? T only. So, that T only we require to find or not? Yes. So, substitute these all values. Then in this case, N is equal to 0.1 N into C is N. C is N e to the power of minus K. K is minus 1 by 10 times of. So, minus of minus plus 1 by 10 times of log 0.7 into T. So, this is, you can, this one you have to simplify. Left side and right side and both are getting cancelled. In this case, you see 0.1 is equal to e to the power of, this is, you can also write as T by 10 times of log of 0.7. Now, I want which value? T value. So, T only unknown here you have. So, cross multiply here. How is it possible? Just nothing but applying log on both sides. In this case, what we have to do means applying log on both sides. So, we will have log 0.1 natural logarithm. Simply you remember ln is nothing but log base e. If I am not written any base is nothing but that is natural logarithm. If I want to write log 2, log 3, log 10, I can write. Okay. If I am not written any base is nothing but natural logarithm only. Now, this is log e to the power of t by 10 log of 0.7. So, this value is log of 0.1 is equal to log, and this a is getting cancelled, then you will have a t by 10 times of log 0.7. Which value I require now? T value only. So, you can write this one, t by 10 times is equal to t by 10, right side you have, that is equal to, take this left side, then you will have log of 0.1 by log of 0.7. Now, which value I required? T value only. So, t is equal to 10 times of log 0.1 by log 0.7. So, you have to simplify this value. By using the calculator, you can get this solution. You see what they are given? 10 times of log of 0.1 by log 0.7. So, 10 times of, bracket open, division symbol, ln of, log is nothing but natural logarithm, ln of 0.1 divided by ln of 0.7. Again, close the bracket. You have to close the bracket, otherwise you will get the error. Again, close the bracket. Now, you see this value is, yes, how much we have? 64.55. Nothing but what is this? Minutes or time? Minutes, hours? No. This is a days. Here 10 days. We discussed 0 days and 10 days. Therefore, this t value is equivalent to 64.55. So, simply you can say how much time is required is nothing but around 65 days are required to disappear capital N given instant value to decrease 90% of N. Is it clear for everyone? Right. So, like this we have to solve the natural decay problems. That may be natural growth or decay, we require to find only 3 steps. In the 3 steps we can find out, that is C value, K value we need to find from the given data. If they are given N, we can find out T. If they are given T, we can find out N. But this formula is for natural decay. What about the natural growth means? N is equal to C e to the power of plus KT. Plus KT is growth n minus kt is dk. So this is remaining is common. What is the common here? We need to find out in the step 1 c, in the step 2 k value. If they are given t, you can find out n. If they are given n, you can find out t. That is the final one. Thank you for watching this video.